So what we're going to have to do is cut off the flare here and put this one on, and then we'll be able to hook it up to the rubber. And cut this off, and then we'll re-flare it. Countersink also works just to clean that up. Just make sure you get the metal filings out. Now make sure to put that new fitting on. Might seem kind of stupid, but you'd be surprised how easy it is to forget to put that on. Now let's go ahead and put it in the tool and get ready to flare. So now we'll line up the size just like that and go ahead and tighten it down. So these nuts that we put on, I really like them. It helps so much. I'm able to just take the wrench, tighten it down, and get a lot of leverage. I don't have to take a pair of pliers and try to grab the wing nuts and then break them. I can really torque down on these as tight as I need them to be, just to make sure things don't slip. And then you can also fit it into really small areas. So I would definitely recommend taking off the lug nuts and putting these bolts on. So we'll drip the oil on there, put it in, put on the tool, and start flaring. Now I can already feel doing this, it's so much easier than flaring steel. I definitely like doing this better. Now I have it as far as it'll go, roll tight. Now I can go ahead and pull this off and get a look at how this turned out. This can kind of sometimes stick in there. Just be, of course, careful taking out this one, especially with the 3/16. Never put side pressure on it. Just twist it until it comes out, just like that. And now we have the first step done of the double flare. Now we'll put the tool back on one more time and take the cone down on it. And yeah, this is way softer than the steel. It's a lot easier to work with. It's nice and tight. Turn it just a little bit more right there. Now we can back it off. And we have our double flare. Now I'll just clean up that burr that was on there just a little bit. Not much at all. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and take it out. And we'll go ahead and take that out. So that's a really nice looking double flare there. So let's go ahead and put this back on the car.